10 Inspiring Quotes by Nelson Mandela. Guys, we have been greatly inspired by the thoughts of Nelson Mandela. His every word inspires a person to live. Let's know some of his inspirational thoughts in this video. Nothing is black or white. I never lose. I either win or learn. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. It always seems impossible until it's done. Know your enemy and learn about his favorite sport. Education is most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. Money won't create success. The freedom make it will. Treat softly, breathe peacefully, laugh hysterically. Where you stand depends on where you sit. Do not judge me by my success, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. I am the matter of my fate, I am the captain of my soul. Guys, which quote did you find most inspiring? Please comment. Thanks for watching.